Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're doing brisket.
Oh yeah, baby. Let's get started. So when I got this brisket, I got the deckle fat removed and it was about 12 pounds. I'm gonna be taking off probably about 3 pounds of this. When you're trimming this brisket up, I like to make it kind of like an oval shape, like I'm holding a big egg, like an ostrich egg. All that fat right there, you want to make it maybe an inch, half an inch thick. I'd say about a half an inch thick. We're gonna add some yellow mustard as a binder to hold that seasoning onto the brisket. Yep. Treat it nice and tender like. Some kosher salt. As you can tell, I'm doing a pretty heavy layer. Don't worry, it's not gonna be too salty. This is a big piece of meat. It'll be fine. Coarse black pepper. That's a beautiful sight. This part is optional. You could just keep it classic with salt and pepper, but I like to throw on this butt rub to help with the bark, give it more of that mahogany look, that darker look. I'm going to be seasoning the fat cap last. Fat cap will be cooking facing up in the smoker.
Alright, this goes out to all y'all punk ass mother.
Yeah, it doesn't really look like an ostrich egg. We are going to be smoking this at 225 degrees overnight, roughly around 10 to 12 hours.
You soon catch a fire. What you gonna do when the sun comes down on you? What you gonna do?
I'm going to get ready to wrap this. For my layer of spritz, I'm going to be using about a shot of Jack Daniels.
She drives me crazy. Y'all drive me crazy.
About a tablespoon apple cider vinegar.
Bloodsucker.
And dilute it down with some water. Lay a blanket of some spritz.
What you gonna do when the sun comes down on you?
We're gonna slice up some butter.
When the sun comes down on you, you drive me crazy. She drives me crazy. Y'all drive me crazy.
Some brown sugar. Some golden delicious honey. Oh yeah, bye-bye. Looks like the probe hit 170. Has a nice bark on it. We're gonna do the same thing as we did for the bottom. We're gonna do for the top.
Trotting through the road at night, street lamps glowing. I don't want to start a fight, but I feel one brewing. Why can't we get it together? Why can't we overstay it? All this fighting on the land. So I don't know what to do. No, I don't know what to say.
Okay, we're gonna attempt to wrap this thing. I am not the best when it comes to wrapping, but to be honest, as long as you can wrap it nice and tight, however you do it. Oh man, yeah, this is bad. Holy cow, that's bad.
Yeah.
Definitely gonna need a second layer. So as long as you wrap your brisket nice and tight, you don't want those juices leaking out.
It's pure f***ery. Why can't we get it together? Why can't we overstay it? All this fighting on the land. So I don't know what to do. No, I don't know what to say to the youth every day. I don't know what to do. No, I don't know what to say to you every day.
Okay, so when I throw this back on, I'm going to be throwing it with the fat cap facing down, and we'll be increasing the temperature to 275 degrees. Okay, the meat probe hit 203. Now we're gonna wrap this bad boy in a nice Ninja Turtle beach towel. Oh yeah.
To the youth every day. I don't know what to do.
And we're gonna toss it in a cooler so it's nice and tightly snugged. And we're gonna leave this thing resting for, I'd say, minimum 1 hour. You can go longer. You don't wanna go more than 2 hours though. All right, guys, this is the gender reveal. Oh my lordy. I'm gonna slice about halfway through, and I'm gonna turn the bottom of the brisket, and I'm gonna turn it, and I'm gonna slice down there to get those burnt ends. Yeah, I probably should have used a little bit bigger of a cutting board. Happy accidents. Guys, let me just tell you, you follow this recipe, it'll come out perfect, moist, every single time. Share this with your friends, or don't tell them. Keep it a secret and have a get together and say, hey, yeah, I'm not telling you. This is my recipe. Enjoy, and God bless y'all, and I'll see you on the next video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.